Everybody, Jeremy Prunty here, walking you through one of the houses. This was actually a fire damaged house that I bought. So pretty much everything is brand new in it. So we put all new windows, siding, roof, whatnot, doors in it already. And this is, we're just about to be ready for drywall on this one. This was actually a house that you could order through Sears, where it had these like 2x2 walls, framing and walls, whatnot, and you can see where it was charred. But we just basically framed all the interior walls with new studs, you know, that way, because those exterior walls are so blessed flimsy. And I did delete these two windows, as you can see, because it just didn't make a whole lot of sense to have windows on that side looking at the neighbor. And that way it opened me up to, you know, put a TV here, because this is going to be the living room, you know, and then over here is going to be the kitchen, so that way I can put more cabinets there, kept the window there, you know, so on and so forth. The plumber and HVAC, well, actually, and the electrician too, still got to finish their thing. Had to put a new furnace in. Well, like I said, everything's new. Plumber had to put a new stack pipe in and all that good stuff. It's just going to be a little 2-bedroom. A nice 2-bedroom though. So we did some reworking of the framing. You know, since we didn't really need this whole long hallway, we created, I should say my carpenter did it. I can't take a whole lot of credit for that. But got a nice sized closet for the master there. And there's going to be the bathroom here. Plumber had to break out some of the floor to play with the pipes down there to rework it, whatnot. New panel. And this will be bedroom number 2. We just left this wall out, or these studs out, because that one-piece tub, which if you're doing a rental house, that is so worth it to do, because you have absolutely no seams, you know, between the shower surround wall and the tub. You know, it's all one piece. So you don't have caulking that you got to redo every year, no discoloration. Hint, mold. Don't call it mold, it's discoloration. And that's what the banks call it, so that's what I call it. If I don't test it, I don't know it's mold. Just joking. Anyways, so yeah, that's always I always try to put one of these in the rental homes. That way it's just that much less maintenance. And I'm not going to put any carpet in here. We're going to do that same, you know, luxury vinyl tile that we do so much of. And oh, I was saying we did leave the studs of this wall out, because that way the plumber was able just to push the tub over here, you know, play with the pipes over there, so on and so forth, and that way he could work. And when he's done, you know, we'll just push it back in place. Carpenter will put up the, I don't know, 10 studs or whatever and call it a day. So still got to insulate after the electrician's done. What hint was I going to say on this? Oh, we did have to put larger egress windows in each bedroom, which is just a casement, because you're really not supposed to put double hungs as your egress window. You're supposed to do a casement, that way it's a full egress. I think it's 5.7 square feet. But anyways, a few too many details than you probably want to know. But you can still have those windows as long as you have a casement or a egress there. So there we go. So yeah, this one will be ready for drywall here pretty soon. I'm kind of upset that not a single subcontractor is here. What the heck is going on? So, what in the world was my little tip I was going to say on this one? I cannot remember. I don't know. If I think of it, I'll probably end up posting it on the down here somewhere with a little trick or ninja tip. Oh, maybe it was just when I analyzed it with my spreadsheet analyzer, simple quick spreadsheet analyzer. It really worked best for I know what it was, for a rental home. And the cool thing about this one, I just refinanced it, even at this stage, at its future appraised value. And so I've got my purchase price and all of the budgeted rehab money. The bank wrote me a check for it. So basically I'm going to be no out of pocket in this house, still cash flowing. So what's my infinite rate of return? Cool tip. And if you use the analyzer properly, you can get houses like that all day long where it'll be no money out of pocket, still cash flowing, so you can just blow up your passive income empire, basically. So feel free to visit the site, check out any more tips and tricks and whatnot. Leave me some feedback, leave me your email, and see you on the next one. Cool. Thank you.